Welcome to this loving classroom exercise. It's a short physical exercise to get the bodies into feeling what it's like to build a loving world. A good introductory exercise before each loving classroom workshop. So first of all, I'll go through the exercise with a few explanations, and then we'll do it without any explanations so you see the flow. It starts with simple breathing through the nose. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathing in is taking from the world, breathing out is giving to the world, or taking oxygen and giving oxygen to the trees around us. The trees are actually an extension of our lung system. It's all one system, everybody giving one another life. So taking, giving, taking, giving, taking, giving. And then stretching. Hello world. Hello me. Right hand over left. Stretching even further. Hello world. Left hand over right. Hello me. Hello ground. Hello sky. Hello grass. Hello sun. This is me. And by the way, who am I? I'd like to think, well, we're atoms, and then atoms have neutrinos, electrons, protons, and you go deeper and deeper, it gets to subatomic particles and energy. What is that energy? So all the energy is connected, relating, working together to produce this wonderful system. So I'd like to say the essence of that energy is love. And so my essence is love. So this is me. I am love. Right hand over left. This is me. Left hand over right. I love me. And then we get ready to stand up. Maybe we should have been sitting at the edge of the chair all the time. Arms straight on the knees. And get up not by pushing up, but the whole body working together to get up on its own there. So, I love me. And when I love me, I am free. And when I'm free, I can be at peace. As if I'm holding a ball with my left hand at the top there, a large ball, I'm at peace. And when I'm at peace, using the left hand to point, I can love you. And when I'm at peace, now the right hand at the top, I can love you. And then it's actually sign words language. When we love each other, we can build a loving world. That's it. Okay, so now let's do the exercise, but this time without any explanations. Starting with simple breathing through the nose. Breathing in, breathing out 3 times. Hello world. Hello me. Hello world. Hello me. Hello ground. Hello sky. Hello grass. Hello sun. This is me. I am love. This is me. I love me. And when I love me, I am free. And when I'm free, I can be at peace. And when I'm at peace, I can love you. And when I'm at peace, I can love you. And then we can build a loving world.